Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you on how to solve the equation instantly. Suppose we have 2x plus 5 equals 9. Okay, so to solve for x, using the balancing method, we can follow these steps. Subtract 5, okay? Subtract 5 from both sides. Subtract 5 from both sides. So we're going to write 2x plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 9 minus 5. Have you seen what we have done? So we are going to have 2x minus is equal to 4. Okay, that's subtracting. And then number 2, we are going to divide, so we're going to write, we are going to divide from both sides, okay? Both sides of equations by 2. So we're going to write 2x divided by 2 is equal to 4 divided by 2. Have you seen what we have done? So we have divided from both sides, okay? So we're going to have here x is equal to 2. So the solution here for the equation 2x plus 5 is equal to 9. Now the x here is 2. Have you seen how quick it is? So we did just a simple thing. You see, we did subtract here from both sides, and then we came here, and then we divided from both sides, and then we came here, and we got this answer. So x is equal to 2. So that's all for now. See you on the next video, guys. Remember to subscribe, give a like, comment, and tell us where you are watching us from, where you're watching this video from, and tell us what you think about our videos. We really appreciate for your support. Thank you so much.